Hi guys, I just got my new Anker PowerPort solar charger here, foldable solar charger. Sorry, the sun is just a little bit bright now. Just put it now on my balcony, and here you can see it's powering my old Logilink PowerBank. Yeah. It says charge eco-friendly way, set in direct sunlight to ensure best performance. PowerPort Solar from Anker Technology. Made in China. Okay. Alright, a nice toy. I bought this for myself for Christmas to be independent in 2016, to do all my lighting via USB power banks. So here you have it. It's working great. Right, it said it has 21 watts of output power maximum. Well, we will see how it goes. Okay, this is it for now. Bye bye. Have a nice Christmas time.